packed my whole life into one suitcase. I booked a one-way flight to Bali, and I don't plan on coming back until I built something real. 3 days ago, I had an apartment in London. Right now, I'm staring at everything I own in one suitcase on a hotel floor in Bali. Yeah, I was asking the same question as you. Why is everyone leaving England? I've been here for not even a week and I get it. You mean to tell me I can build my business, lock in with fitness, swim in the ocean every morning, holiday in places like Philippines, Japan, even Australia for the low, and still put down more dough than when I was living in London? Sign me up. Usually I overthink things and try and come up with a master plan. Oh, how long am I going to go for? What if I get distracted instead of building my business? What happens if it doesn't work out and then I have nowhere to live in England? But you know what? This time I ain't got all the answers. I'm just taking action and doing because when have I not ever figured it out before? So let's see if it all works out or if I end up back in England asking my mom if she's got a spare bedroom for me. Follow me to watch the journey.